Alright, enough of that. What's up? Look at this. Look at these lights. It's a celebration. Hello, my friend. I'm drinking Dogfish Head 60-minute IPA. Lucian, I got something for you. And Tim, I love you as well. Hold on. Peep the new look, bro. It's your best friend. I can't even say it. I already feel bad. Henceforth, this will be my new steez. Yeah. Now I'm feeling it. Now I'm gonna make a sick beat, and I'm pretty sure I have magical powers now. Making beats and drinking beer. Yeah. Yo, I'm Eumonic. Thank you for tuning in to a very special live stream here on YouTube. 200 subscribers. Thank you. Mwah. I love you. I seriously do. There's definitely a sincere love towards you at the moment. It's not just the beer talking, for real. Let's jump into it. As if I can literally jump in to my digital audio workstation. Let's take it back to the 2-minute tips sample pack. That's wild. So I reversed this crazy weird flute sample from back in the day. Imagine if I could just do this and get paid. Who would pay me to do that? What kind of advertiser? I'm gonna get sponsored by some beer company. Let me play this for ambiance. You know what I'm saying? What does this need? This needs some drum. Oh! What the heck? That's toy. That's kind of annoying, yeah? Whoa now. Uh-huh. That sounds like Mission Impossible, does it not? Can I get a hey-o if you think that sounds like Mission Impossible? Let's get the snare on time first. Just the most basic thing is so difficult for me right now. Yeah, we're just gonna follow that. Hey yo, let's move this down. Check it out. What is D7? Like D major 7? Not piano, guitar. I like the simplicity of just rolling on that D7. I'm glad I looked it up. That's it. I just gotta figure out how to play it. As you can tell, I am no guitar player. I wouldn't claim that I play the guitar. I sample the guitar after hopefully less than hours of trying to play it. That was it. I'm gonna add some plate reverb. Probably some compression or something. duplicate all this, and I'm gonna chop this up. Yep. It's my wife. Hi, darling.
Hey.
I don't think anybody's on, so it doesn't really matter.
I know. That's why I'm in here.
I'm gonna say goodbye now. We had that playing the entire time.